This is the PNI EM50kg, a compact door electromagnet with a holding force of up to 50 kg force. Ideal for wooden, PVC, or light metal doors, offering secure locking for indoor spaces. The package includes everything needed for mounting. Easy to install at the bottom of the door. I powered it with 12 volts to test its operation. When active, the magnet holds the metal plate firmly in place. A recommended choice for offices, small storages, or any controlled access door. Compact, strong, and secure. Link in the comments for more details.